Hi guys, today we'll talk about n8n optimization workflows and we'll start with the basic WordPress setup. Let's have a look at it closely. All is starting with the two webhooks. Here is webhook that is listening requests from WordPress, and this is schedule trigger that runs every one day at midnight. So after running, this node is creating some variables like base URL for WordPress posts API and fields, amount items per page, current page number. Then we're having the first loop. This loop is requesting WordPress posts here using this URL by 10 per page, and so this I'm having 28 items, so this loop is running 3 times. By increasing this current page variable +1 each loop. So here I'm getting posts in JSON format. So here is more comfortable way to have a look. Link, Slack, date, ID, categories, title, anything. Then split it into pieces, and each item is updating via Google Sheets note using append or update row operation. So here I'm using ID column as matching column, and these columns are created from this JSON. So what it looks like in Google Sheets. Here is a table, my post ID, date, Slack, link, title, concept, media, categories, text, and so on. Let me show you how it works. So here is my Google Sheets with all WordPress posts. I clean it up and run this flow using this trigger. First 10 items, then second one, and the last ones. After updating all my posts here, I'm working with categories, media, and text the same way. Here is 3 branches. The first is working with categories using the same method. So first we request all the categories from WordPress API. Here you are, and then update it using Google Sheets connector in n8n, then requesting media and text, and then media. Let's have a look at this flow one more time and run it. So before I cleaned all these pages in Google Sheet, so let's execute this flow. And first we should see our posts adding by 10 per page. Here we are, then categories, then tags, and last but not least, our media. So here are all the images with our dimensions, our URLs for full resolution image, and Beautiful. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful for you and this flow will inspire you for your next optimizations. So yeah, feel free to ask me any question about n8n in comments.